Hello, hi, and we are at day three for Machine Maker. We are going live from Schmalz. Schmalz is an industry leader for ergonomic handling solutions, and today we are visiting one of their machines. Hello, Mr. Deepu. How are you?
Fine.
Wonderful. So, which machine are you handling right now? Just wonderful. Hi. Please tell us, sir, which machine are you using right now?
Right now, I am using a machine called VacuMaster. It is mainly using for handling the sheet metals in the metal industry. So this is a very ergonomic machine. It is mainly used for loading the sheets from the laser cut machine and to the pallets.
Acha, wonderful. What kind of challenges do customers usually face with this machine?
Normally, the challenges what they are facing is they are facing means they require the more manpower for the loading the sheet metal. So that time by using this machine they can reduce except one manpower they do not require more than one manpower.
Wonderful. And I also heard that this machine works with when there is power cut also. How would that?
So the moment the power goes, it won't drop the sheets immediately because there will be a vacuum inside the vacuum reservoir. So it holds the equipment, it holds the sheet for a long time. So it is one of the safety features what the operator can have in their facility.
Wonderful. So you mean even if there's a power cut, whatever happens, the machine will keep the material safe. The material will not be. Wonderful. What is the capacity of this machine?
Sir, we are starting from means the machine capacity it starts from 125 kg. We go up to 2 tons. So we can customize up to 10 tons. We have supplied, yes, we have supplied to so many potential customers in India. So this product is one of the asset who is buying for them.
I'll just come back to you wherein we will be taking what you can do. Can you introduce me to some of your people? Please do. Wonderful.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
Yes,
Mr.
fine.
Ranjan,
Yes.
wonderful at your stall.
Yeah.
Lovely three. What are your comments about IMTEX so far?
Yeah, people always expect something new from the Schmalz, and yes, we are back after 2 years. And
After
we are
2 years.
yes after COVID time, so we are back with the new products with new offers to the customers.
Wonderful.
So that's all.
That's wonderful. So, can you show us around your stall?
Yes, for sure. So I will start with the jumbo picker. So uh, this is basically used for the mobile applications of pick and place, where basically if you see the up down is controlled with the gripping vacuum, and there is a mobile pallet truck which actually moves. This is typically used for the warehouse application,
Okay.
and we are really getting a good response from the warehouse industry. So
Okay.
I can actually meet you to the product owner, Mr. Akshay.
Oh,
So he is
that
actually
would be
taking care
wonderful.
for the jumbo picker. We call it as
Jumbo picker.
jumbo picker. It's a name. We call it.
So, what's the capacity of this machine?
Yeah,
Acha,
it's
that I
up
can-
to, yeah. I can hand over to Akshay.
Hi, Akshay.
Hi. This is a new innovation from us.
Mhm.
So this is mainly designed for the logistic warehouses.
Mhm.
So the best part is that you can take this system wherever you want in the warehouses. As you see in warehouses, you have a lot of robust operations over there.
Mhm.
So like people will be coming, like transferring of goods, transferring of parcels and all. So this system is something. It's a portable system, battery operated. So you can easily pick it up with the help of a BOPT and you can take it to the places of warehouses. So
Acha.
it's very simple to use. Like in this, capacity is 40 kg.
Wonderful. And what challenges the customers were facing so that you had to invent this? You had to create this.
Because what happens is that you might be knowing forklifts and all.
Mm-hmm.
So when they do the palletization, after the palletization, they have to pick up the pallet and they have to take those pallets to the storage section and they have to place it over there.
Mm-hmm.
But in this scenario, what is the best point is that this system can hold the pallets together.
They hold the pallets,
Yeah,
entire
hold the
pallets
pallets.
together.
Yeah, you can entirely stack the pallets on this,
Mhm.
like 2 pallets on
Mhm.
this, and you can load the material on this with the help of BOPT. You can easily take the pallets as well as the load.
Acha.
parcels.
Okay. I see that he's changing some extensions.
Yes,
So
yes,
is
we
it
have multiple grippers
Hmm.
based on different kind of applications. We have multiple grippers.
okay?
So this gripper, what you are seeing is a universal carton gripper.
Hmm.
We call it as multi gripper.
Okay.
This gripper can be used on various carton boxes. So if you see in a logistic warehouse or a e-commerce warehouse, you have like cartons with different sizes.
Correct.
You don't have a same size of carton. So this gripper is designed for that, which can pick the cartons of any size, and it can be picked in the range of 40 kgs, within the range of 40 kgs.
Acha. So 40 kgs goods
Yes,
can be
is-
picked with
yeah.
this gripper.
With this gripper.
Okay.
And another gripper, what he is handling right now is like call it a sack gripper.
Hmm.
This is used to pick the sacks which are weighing up to 30 kgs.
Acha.
Yeah. So you can easily pick the bags like which are weighing up to 30 kgs. Bags of bags which are of paper, HDPE, LDPE and all. Not only in warehouses, you can also use it in cold storage rooms and all. In cold storage room, you find a lot of sacks over there.
Okay.
Sacks packed with cold meat, sausages and all. And those bags can be easily handled by with this gripper.
But then it looks like a very big machine. Are there a lot of people operating this, or only one man
One
job?
man is enough.
One man is enough.
One man is enough.
One man can operate the entire
Yes,
machine,
yes.
can put up the stack.
Yes,
stack
yes,
up.
yes.
How high can it stack it up?
Ah.
Oh.
So the best part is that we have this retractable column over here.
Acha.
So this column can go up and down.
This retractable column?
It's a retractable column, and you can raise it up to like nearly about 2.9 meters.
2.9 meters.
So you can get a stroke up to 1.8 meters with this system. Nothing but when you lift the parcel, you can take it up to 1.8 meters.
1.8 meters is a
Yes.
huge.
And we have this safety options also over here. Like as soon as I lock my system over here, it gets switched off.
Acha.
So everything is completely in equipped with safety sensors and all.
Mhm.
So as per the industry 4.0, it can be easily used in the warehouses. And you have this touch display,
Mhm.
which you can easily operate it over here. I'll just show you. This is how you can retract it.
Oh.
How you can take it. And to insert the VOPT and all, you just by pressing a button, you can lift the system from the back.
Acha. How is that useful?
To to keep the VOPT, the stacker inside.
Stacker
the
inside.
system.
Right.
So by touch of a button, you can easily operate the system.
Wonderful
And-
invention that you have
Yes,
created.
yes,
Wonderful
yes.
for your product that you have
Yes,
created.
yes.
Thank you, Akshay.
Thanks. And
Um,
this is one of the other product.
Mhm.
This is mainly for sheet metal handling.
Mhm.
So this is very old product of us, but
Old reliable.
old, reliable, and strong product of us. And
Acha.
in every laser cutting industry,
Hmm.
it works fine for us. So
Yes.
I'll just give it to the specialist of the system, Mr.
Please.
Niranjan.
Yeah. Okay.
So, Mr.
Okay,
Niranjan, we
yeah.
are back again.
Yes, we are back again with the product of VacuMaster. It's one of the proven products from the Schmalz for the laser cutting industry, working from last 20 years.
Last
20 years. So we have this called as a VacuMaster, where up down is basically controlled with the chain hoist, and the gripping part is with the vacuum completely entirely in this. So if you see, typically in laser industry, the application is to pick the sheet from the pallet to the
Correct.
machine.
Yes.
So and the sheet sizes typically used are of 3 meter into 1.5 meter. So it is always necessary to use a 2 or 3 manpower,
Hmm.
which is a huge ergonomic effect.
Correct.
So people has a fatigue, but with our equipment, from 125 kg to 1 ton, you need only a single person.
Only a single person.
Only a single person to lift the sheet, and that is only possible with the help of Schmalz VacuMaster.
Wonderful. And he is doing it with just
Yes,
clicks of buttons. And
exactly. Now you can see this. This up down is controlled with the hoist, and the vacuum on off is with this manual sliding valve.
Okay.
So this is a prototype with a smaller sheet, but up to 3 meter into 1.5 meter, also bigger side of sheets, we can use it. So we
Wonderful.
have a standard product up to 2 ton, but beyond that also we are supplying to the industry.
Wonderful.
So basically we are focused from, we are saying that we are optimizing the manpower and increasing the productivity. That is our main motto with this.
Wonderful.
And it's a CE approved product. For example, I can show you the demo of safety. Right now you can see this, it is grip condition, it is working. If suppose power failure,
Yes.
then what will happen? Sheet should drop ideally.
Right.
So I will make the condition, I will make this off. So
Acha.
imagine that the power is off.
Hmm.
Still sheet is on the holded condition.
Wonderful.
So this is completely a CE approved product and it is not leaving it.
Acha.
So it is holding it.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And it
As
is
you can see, you have a lot of visitors just
Yes,
looking
yes.
at the machines, the spectacle that you have created. Maybe we can talk to some of your
Sure,
visitors as
sure,
well.
sure. I will connect with Mr. Jacob. He is a general manager.
Hello,
And,
Mr. Jacob.
Yes, I will hand over mic to him now.
Hello. Thank you, Niranjan. Thanks.
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Jacob. How are you?
Fine, fine, fine.
So, Mr. Jacob is general manager for Schmalz. And, sir, IMTEX, after almost 30 months, we are here at IMTEX. What are your thoughts? How are you feeling?
Oh, it's great to be here because we missed it for last 2 years because of the pandemic.
Mhm.
And we are very happy. We are looking eager to participate in this and we are very happy that we are over here.
Mhm.
Of course, compared to last IMTEX, this impact, it is picking up slowly
It's
because
picking up slowly.
still,
But weekend is now here.
yes,
So that is something
weekend
we are
is
looking
there.
forward
Hope
for.
today that, today and tomorrow they will have a good visitors. Of course, it's a very, very important exhibition for us because we expect a lot of decision makers here.
Okay.
So those people visit and they see the technology. The people love the technology. They come to us, they talk to us, and lot of decisions are done over here.
Correct.
So it's IMTEX is very, very important exhibition to us, and we never
So,
try to miss it.
decision makers are here. Some of the leads are here. Coming people are, meeting you. So, do you want to put out innovations? Do you have your thought about innovations, and you are talking to them? What ideas are you striking up? What is happening?
Yes. Every time when we try to participate, when you are participating, we introduce new technology.
Yes, I've seen.
So this year also we have brought equipment suitable for Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, the digital manufacturing, smart factories is going to be the future. Even though in India it started late, but in abroad it's already started about 10 years, 15 years ago. Schmalz always go for innovation, and we have come out with a very good range of digital products where Industry 4.0 can be met with the vacuum technology.
Okay.
Another good innovation what we have is you have seen a JumboFlex speaker,
Yes.
which is for a logistic industry, and it is also very much wanted because all other systems are fixed. They have to fix it in one place and they work.
That's
Whereas
portable. That's
this is
the-
portable, and that is also empowered by Industry 4.0 because we can know what weight it is carrying, battery management system, everything has been embedded in that, and it's a good product. We see that a lot of inquiries are there for that product because it is flexible. It can you can take it to any place, especially for logistic industry. It's the best solution what we suggest,
That's
and
correct.
people are also looking forward.
So your company is known in the market for being pioneers into ergonomic handling solutions.
Yes.
With 1,300 employees, you have been able to manage 450 copyrights.
Yes.
So
That is-
what motivates you to do that? What
Yeah.
motivates you to invest funds into research and development?
It is only because of our customers. The customers comes to us with the problem. Let me just once again repeat my mission statement stating that there's no problems exist in smarts.
No
We have
problem.
only solutions. No problems exist in smarts. We have only solutions. The
Wonderful.
customer is contacting us. They come to us for a lot of solutions, and we invest in customers. All our products are here only because of the customers. In fact, I joined the company about 20 years ago, and some products which when I started, those products are not existing. In that place, a lot of new products are coming to the place, and it is that is only because of that, and that's why we have 450 is less. Actually, it's 550. It has
550.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. 550
patents have been
copyrights
registered.
and patents that they have done, guys. Wonderful. This time you have bought automation,
Yes,
Industry 4.0
4.0,
solutions.
yeah.
Wonderful. So we'll just go
Yeah,
there.
yes.
We'll ask somebody.
Yes.
Hello. Hi, Mr. Mohan. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Sir, I'll request you to introduce him to us so that he can tell us more about the tools.
He is Mr. Mohan Kumar. He is the regional sales manager for a southern region. He is heading. We have an office over here. He has a good staff over here, and he has. He is a man with good knowledge. Very good knowledge. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, welcome. First, we can go to the place. We can see the complete vacuum automation products. Okay, please come there.
Please. Oh, there are a lot of visitors today. Hi.
Yeah, so this area complete, you can see that the complete automation product where Schmalz giving the complete vacuum technology for handling handling system. Okay, from here you can see we have more than 6,000 products for making the own automation systems.
More than 6,000.
Yes, more than 6,000 products available for the vacuum automation systems. You can see here the starting from the suction cups. The suction cups for used for especially for any application we can do that. So Schmalz making
So how micro are those with you? What is the
suction cups start from 1 mm, minimum 1 mm and maximum 400 mm.
400 mm?
Yeah, you can see the first row. These are all universal suction cups. We can use for any application like glass, metal, sheet metal, whatever. And also Schmalz develops industry-based suction cups. If you go to paper industry, packaging industry, we have the special suction cups for handling the papers and pouches, all those things. And if you see that here, specially designed for automotive industries.
Acha, these are for automotive industries.
All automotive suction cups. We can handle the suction cups oily sheets. When even the oily sheet, if you grip the workpiece, it will not get slip.
So the point of here is that oily skin will also not slip with the vacuum on it.
So there has a higher suction lateral force. See the suction surface, the lateral force will be higher. You cannot use the normal suction cups for handling the oil sheets. So Schmalz has a specially designed for the sheet metal suction cups.
Wonderful. Is that the USP of?
The USP, yeah. So Schmalz USP is maximum. We have the product for industry basis, not only for the standard which can provide all application. So you can see this all especially for sheet metal industries, and you can see all the green cups are especially for packaging industry.
Acha.
So there we can do porous material like carton boxes, case selectors. So that is very porous material. We need more holding force while gripping the workpiece.
Acha.
So for that specially designed, you can see that all these packaging pouches. You can handle milk pouches, oil pouches. All the pouches we can handle with suction cups, and this also for complete the cotton box handling, where we have the little porous material for cotton. So for that, this pad can be used. And here you can see all these blue color cups, and specially used for the high temperature material and the plastic handling. So normally, if you use the special suction cups, will not
high temperature.
Yes, high temperature as well as the plastic material while gripping the workpiece, it will not use any marks.
Acha.
Especially for the mobile industry. So they use the silicon material, it reduces the mark after the gripping. So this part will not use any marking.
That's wonderful. So even if it's the hot surface is very hot, extremely hot, the temperature. What is the maximum temperature heat resistance?
Handle 170 degree to 140 degrees
to 240 degrees.
Yeah, 140 is the normal temperature. It will not use any marks in the workpiece, because if you see the mobile phone, if it gives the marks, then it gives impression.
And it will, it's an impression.
So it is not allowed. So for that, we use the suction cup for HD1.
So you were the manager when we were creating these things, these products you were creating. Wow, wonderful.
And Schmalz also, we are spending more revenue, 8.5% for the R&D research. We are developing new products as per the customer requirement.
Acha.
So based on the customer requirement, we launched this year many products this year, even the vacuum automation.
I've heard 450 to now 550 innovations and 550 copyrights that you guys have under you. And as your sir says, he says that there are no problems in Schmalz. There are no problems in
Schmalz is a specific product. So this is the suction cups for handling for our workpiece. And next it comes to the mounting elements. These mounting elements, so we need some mounting elements to connect the suction cups. So we have the different section mounting elements. You can see all the spring plunger, the height compensation. You see all this height compensation. So wherever we have the workpiece, different height level. So we can go for this dumping mounting elements to compensate the height.
Acha.
So this is all the mounting element. This you can see the system monitoring. Okay, so we need to monitor the system, whether it is handling safely, safe handling. So we need to monitor. So for that, we are using the special monitoring system device for the vacuum switch. It's called a vacuum switch. So this will be monitoring the vacuum valve whether the product is safe.
Wonderful.
Okay, then additionally you can see that here. Yes, please. And filters. So while gripping the workpiece, any contamination in the workpiece, all any filters, it will be filters all the dust contamination here, the filters. So it will be specially used for the
while using the vacuum circuit. Okay. So next, if we come to here,
These are vacuum generators.
it's all vacuum generators.
Okay.
So generating we need vacuum generators for gripping the workpiece. No. So we have the three type of vacuum generators: one pneumatically vacuum generators, and electrical vacuum pumps, and electrical vacuum blowers. Okay, the three type of vacuum generators available with this. So mainly in our process, the energy efficient product is vacuum pneumatically ejectors. Because this ejector has a complete range of products. It can be energy efficient, air saving, and we can also monitor the system monitoring, condition monitoring, how many cycles has run, how many cycles works perfectly. If there is any issue, the preventive maintenance also we can do. And also we can connect to the all industry 4 digitization product. So all the products you can connect to the industrial 4 product. So all products are industrial 4 product.
Acha.
Okay, so you can also do the air saving. You can see that normally.
Can I hold the mic?
Yeah. So when you do the process, normally the air will consume directly. In our ejectors, once the product is real, so you can see here the board. You can see the maximum H1, so maximum vacuum level, how much vacuum level is maximum vacuum level, and this is the H2 is the part of the signal. So we need to give the signal to the feedback to the PLC to the robot. So this H2 will give the part of the signal to the H2. And what is the current vacuum level? And here you can see the green. It should be air saving function.
Acha.
The ejector working as a air saving function. And also there is many functions available here. You can connect to the air saving function, impulse valve, and also automatic blow off available. Once the pot is suction off, they automatically release the workpiece with the blow off function. And also you can IO link, especially IO link. You can monitor the system anywhere. Just you can they are doing the setting everything from the system itself. No need to go to the robot to set the value. So IO link available, and remote diagnosis also is possible, and condition
monitoring is also
condition monitoring mainly for to prevent you the system whether when the system will give the problem. For example,
you founded solutions for industry automation.
Yeah.
Where you are working for manual labor, and now you have come down
Come to the automation.
Come to the automation completely.
Yeah.
What are these? These are special grippers. Then?
Yeah, coming to after the ejectors. So these all ejectors in our range, from the basic ejectors and the compact ejectors, all IO link technology, all the available ejectors. So coming to here, these all the special grippers.
Special grippers.
Special grippers. Sometimes see this is the product. We cannot able to use the vacuum suction cups because any vacuum suction cup we need a vacuum to generate the vacuum level. So the normal suction cups will not generate vacuum here because of there is no plane surface.
Correct.
So in this case there is no plane surface. It is a porous, and we cannot handle the normal suction cups.
Correct.
So we need a special gripper to handle this part also. Because Schmalz providing all solution for material pick and place application.
That's correct.
So Schmalz developed the various grippers for special gripper. You see that this will be metal magnetic gripper. It's a permanently magnetic gripper. You can handle even the through holes is the metal sheet. Metal sheet, there is holes will be there. Through holes, holes will be there. So on that workpiece also we can handle with this magnetic gripper. Okay. So if you go to here, the needle gripper, especially for very soft material, if you go to automotive industry, the car roof liner, so we cannot handle it with vacuum. So in that case, we need a needle. You can see that this needle, once you give the compressed air, the needle will come the inclined direction, it will pick the workpiece.
Acha. Okay.
The suction cups will not work on that application. So we need a special gripper. Okay, and additionally, we have the solar cell handling, solar cell handling applications, and the Bernoulli principle floating grippers. All specially used for the different applications where we cannot use the suction cups.
Wonderful.
Okay. So this is a product actually this year launched special for PCB handling. Okay, so normally the suction cups will not work for handling the PCB. The Schmalz introduced a special gripper for handling the PCB.
Acha.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I told you, this workpiece. Even if you handle this area also will grip workpiece. Even this area suction cups will not work.
Correct.
You can show this demo also.
I would love to also see what the visitors are also saying about this. Have you shown this to some of the visitors?
Yeah, this is also that interesting. Yeah.
Many
electronic industry are supplying this gripper. Very nice gripper. Suction cups will not work in application.
That's really amazing.
It's Schmalz always developing the new products. Customer demands, what customer needs. So we are giving solution to the customers.
Your 8.5% of that revenue goes into development of what customers want more.
Yeah.
Thank you,
And you
sir.
can see that even the gripping systems are modular gripping systems.
Mhm.
So, example, if you handle cotton busters, so we cannot go for the section jobs. These are ready-made systems, modular gripping systems. Just you can buy the gripper and just you can connect to the robot.
Wonderful.
There
Wonderful.
is no need of designing, nothing. Just easily simply you can connect the systems.
That's
So
correct.
we have the complete range of vacuum automation products, giving complete solution to our customers for making the automation.
What is one line that you want to say to the viewers who are viewing you live, your potential customers, your existing customers? What is it that you want to say as a product manager?
See, we are into now the mainly our product focus industry 4. So now the abroad countries are already there into industry 4 digital product, but India still there people are turning into industry for smart factory. So we are focused into smart factory that our products all product and we use the smart factory.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Mr. Mohan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
And
much.
love to have you
Thank you,
on
guys.
our show. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful. We'll try to talk to some of the visitors. If you can introduce me to some of the visitors who are attending here today, I'll.
Action.
Uh,
So this one.
Hi, sir. I'm just wanted to. Can I communicate with them?
Yeah, sure.
How did you feel about Schmalz with the setup that they have done? कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये setup? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है setup ये. Okay. Are you?
Here face the corona and it is very good. Yeah.
चलेगा. What are your names, sir? Surendra, sir. Okay. You are from? Ours. Surendra, sir, from ours. Wonderful. आपका नाम? Rajesh. Okay. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Wonderful. So, guys, this was Schmalz. They have amazing 550 copyrights under their name. This is an innovating company, and they are ergonomic handling solution providers, and they are leading brands in India to do so. See you again on the next live. Thank you so much. Reporting live from Machine Maker at Schmalz.